Goggin joins us now live outside Bedford Gardens tonight with the latest. Caroline?
Well, Mike and Shannon, we spoke with several families tonight who have relatives staying here at Bedford Gardens. They tell me they are extremely concerned about their safety and well-being. They say there's a crisis going on the other side of those doors, and it needs to be addressed immediately.
Hi, Stephanie. This is Betsy Batello calling from Bedford Gardens.
It was an upsetting voicemail on Easter Sunday.
We have a serious staffing crisis that we are requiring to move our third floor residents to the first and second floors.
One of those residents, Stephanie Carvalho's 62-year-old mother, Mary. Staff at Bedford Gardens nursing home say she was moved from room 305 to 105 due to a staffing issue. Her family left frustrated.
I wouldn't send my worst enemy here.
The Massachusetts Department of Health tells us due to ongoing operational issues, it's no longer allowing new patients at this nursing home or the 4 others in southeastern Massachusetts that are owned and operated by Skyline Healthcare, which is based out of New Jersey.
But we're kind of in an emergency mode.
Stephen Haas, the director of Bedford Gardens, told the New Bedford Standard Times that nurses' paychecks at his facility have been late for the past 2 pay periods. He says when they arrived on Monday, many of the checks bounced. Carvalho says much of the staff here at Bedford Gardens hasn't returned to work.
If I was working 60, 80, 70 hours a week and not getting paid, I wouldn't go in either.
Haas tells the Standard Times that his facility is now heavily relying on workers from outside staffing agencies, but it's not enough. He says each nurse's aide is now responsible for 18 to 20 people.
She wants to come home, but she knows she can't come home yet because she needs to be able to walk a little bit better.
Carvalho says this is the only facility in the area that can accommodate her mother's needs. She's been here since December and is set to get out in a couple weeks. She wishes it was sooner.
If you have family members up here, come get them out of here. They need to go somewhere where they will take care of them.
And I did try calling Skyline Healthcare several times tonight, but the phone number that was listed for them did not work. Now, the Massachusetts Department of Health says it's currently working with the Executive Office of Elder Affairs to monitor the situation. But it also says if there are any family members of relatives who are staying here at Bedford Gardens or the 4 other nursing homes in the area and they're concerned about this situation, they can file a complaint with the Department of Health. Reporting live in New Bedford tonight, I'm Caroline Goggin, Eyewitness News.